Hello, my friends. Guess what? It is time for me to announce the newest Foldit Club. Now, the Foldit Club is a little bit more unique at the Stamps of Life because you cannot buy it on our website. It is only for club members. Only club members get this set, and you cannot get it anywhere else, which is really exciting, right? Now, if you're in the Foldit Club, woo, you get to sit back, relax, and go, yep, I'm getting it. I'm good. Now, if you're not in the Foldit Club, you need to join ASAP. We only order X amount each month. We order a little bit extra because we know we're going to get more signups, but that little extra is a little because we don't want to get stuck with a lot, right, at the end. So we only order a little extra. So if you want in on this, you need to sign up ASAP. And the best part, well, one of the best parts is you are getting two, count them, two free stencils in this set. Because you know me, I go crazy sometimes when I design and it just kind of explodes. And this die set's a little bit bigger than normal. Yes, it's still A2, but with extra benefits. What am I talking about? Well, let's jump in and look at it. Here we go. Are you ready? Get set. It is called Bird and Nest Foldit. This folds as an A2 when the birdie is in the nest. Now, you are getting, let's flip this over. You are getting not only the nest and the birdie and the shadows, you are getting extra leaves, you are getting extra eyes, and I made sure you had some eggs in there too, because if you wanted to put some eggs in the nest. Now I have lots of awesome samples to share with you. Of course, it comes with an idea card with a couple ideas, but we get way more ideas on our website, right? So you're gonna go to the idea gallery. There's a link on here. You're going to go to the idea gallery and it's going to show you all of these awesome ideas, and you can upload your own. Now, remember I talked about those two free stencils? Yeah, but before we get to those two free stencils, also my friends, a lot of you, in fact, more than half of our Foldit Club members have already signed up. Some of you are still on the fence, not deciding. Some of you don't even know about it because you don't watch our videos. You just get it in the mail. Okay, here we go, you guys. Here we go. Recently, and I believe last month was the first month, I released an add-on option of a stamp set 4x4 in size for only an extra $8, meaning we would ship not only your Foldit Club and your idea card and your stencils to you, you would also get a 4x4 stamp set that coordinates with this, right? So you have words with this, right? Now, also included on that stamp set is a mini version of the Foldit, so you can stamp it on the envelope if you want, or you could stamp it on the back of your card with your signature personalized stamp. I know, ready? I don't know what to show you first. Let's look at the stamp first. Here we go. It is really fun. We have Happy Bird Day, get it, Bird Day. Hey, Tweetheart, chirping in to say hello. Nest wishes to you, get it, best wishes. A little birdie told me, ... And then it says, it's your birthday or it's your day. Congrats on your new nest when someone gets a new house. You are so tweet, and the birdie and the nest separately. So you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 stamps if you get the add-on. Now, if you did not add on, you need to go add on right now for future shipments, okay? You don't want to miss out on this. Now, remember I talked about 2 free stencils? I know. This is insane. Are you ready? Here we go. It is called Splendid Floral and Sunrise. Now, I made the sunrise first, and I'm like, okay, I love this for the bird, right? And here is the sunrise because, oh my goodness gracious, isn't it beautiful? You are getting the sunrise or the sunset, sunrise or sunset. You're getting the mountains and you're getting the beautiful water at the bottom. Isn't that fun? Perfect background. I'm going to show you a sample in just a second. Perfect background, right? For any card, right? But then I made this set. And I was like, well, this is way more than one. It's way more than 2. It is a 3 stencil set. You can use them separately, but it's a 3 stencil set. It's layering stencils. And if I was a business person, I'm a crafter, I'm not a business person, right? If I was a business person, I just wouldn't have given you this one and only given you one freebie stencil, right? Because of this set. But I'm like, no, that's not how we do it. You get the background, but then you're also getting this. You're getting 2 free stencils. Are you ready? Let's jump in and look at this because it's so beautiful. Now, there is a trick to our layering stencils, all of our stencils. Make sure you can read our name at the bottom so it's the right way, so you'll know what's the top and the bottom and it's not flipped upside down. So here we go. First, you are, see, I had to flip it. First, you're getting this beautiful like leaf or stem background. You could use this by itself, right? Boom, done, right? Then we have, add on top of that, we have this beautiful floral that's going to go right on top to add that. I hope you can see it really well on camera. Then one more, inside of the flowers. Hello, the insides of the flowers need a stencil, right? Now we're going to lay this one, make sure it's the right way. We're going to lay this one right on top for the inside of those big flowers. Now, you could use these all separately. You could use the stems separately. You could use, how fun is this flower one? Then you could use just the flower and this one if you want to. You could just use this one and move it around a little bit and do all those flowers all over. 2 free stencils. 2 free stencils. Yes, you are going to have so much fun with this one, okay? And you get the sunrise, okay, or sunset. Here we go. So does that count as 2 if it's sunrise and sunset? I'm just kidding. Here we go. Let's jump in and look at our samples. And if you are new to Foldits, what is a Foldit? Some of you are watching this going, I don't even know what she's talking about. I don't even know what a Foldit is. I get it, my loves. Here we go. A Foldit is a shaped card that when created, when die cut, it makes an A2 size card. Now we do on our website have other ones. We have 5x7s, we have mini slimline, we have slimline, we have A2, A1, all the good stuff, right? But for our Foldit Club, 99.9% of the time, one time I did one that wasn't, they're A2. Meaning when they're folded, they will fit into a standard envelope. Here we go with our cute little birdie in there. And Foldits are so incredibly easy to make. If you can fold cardstock, you can make a Foldit. That's how easy they are. Look at this. Look at that gorgeous background. There is our stencil. I told you it was amazing. I told you it was amazing. Now our stencils are 5x7 in size, but perfect also for an A2 size card too. You just don't get all of it, right? But look at how gorgeous that background is. Look at our cute little birdie on part of the nest cut up so it looks like a twig. Isn't that fantastic? Life is beautiful. Enjoy. So pretty. Here's another one. Look how cute with the birdie outside of the nest with the cute little eggs in there. Tweet, 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 tweet. Love it. Here is one with the, look at that stencil in the background. Look at that beautiful artwork of stenciling. So easy peasy. I've done all the work for you. You just get to have fun with it. Look. Look how pretty that is and how that lines up so beautifully. We have our cute little bluebird. I was a bluebird when I was a little girl. Not a Girl Scout, a bluebird. Different. Okay, here is that background again. So here is that background again as a different type of background. This is a vertical card. This is horizontal. This is vertical. Same stenciling. Isn't it stunning? It is just so stunning. Now, here is another cute one with a little bird in the nest, but Foldits can also be, so here we go. Here is the Foldit, here, let me show you this one, on an A2 card, right? Here it is on a 5x7 card, right? Here it is as an A2 card, right? Here it is, dun, 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 as a stand-up or easel card. Look at that, awesome, right? And here it is as a regular A2 card. Now, here is a trick, my friends, because in reality, you're making the nest, the Foldit, and the birdie is going to probably be separate, right? Now, here is a trick that I want to teach you on how to make sure it's still going to fit in your envelope, because you got to pay a little bit of attention if you want it to fit in your A2 envelope. Here is the trick, and I'm going to close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes. I'm going to take this birdie off. Close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes. Don't look. Don't watch. I'm doing something horrible. I'm doing something horrible. Okay. So here's our envelope. When you finished making your nest, making your cute little nest, you're going to take your envelope and you're going to lay it on top. Your card, and you're going to lay it on top. Now you'll see how much room you have left to fit this in the envelope. You're going to take your cute little birdie die cut, right? It's all done. Cute, regular die cut. And you are going to put this birdie in. Now this birdie can be oh, that's a little too big. So we want it to be standing a little bit lower. There we go. Or the birdie can be inside the nest because it does have a hole to put it inside the nest. That's up to you. But this way, you're going to make sure that it will still fit in the A2 envelope. Or do the birdie by itself. Or just do the nest by itself. So many different options with this one. Now, again, Foldit Club members, we are sending these out to you ASAP. If you are not in the Foldit Club, join now. You will be able to get this one. You will be able to add on the stamps if you want to. Join now. We have a limited amount left. We only order a certain amount. We just order, remember, a little bit extra. What are some of the other benefits for being any club member at the Stamps of Life? You get a 15% discount or 20, depending on how many clubs you're in. 15% discount off of our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. So if you place an order today and next week you place an order, oh yeah, you're getting 15% both orders. Every single order, every single item. Well, does that include the new storage boxes? Yes. Does that include the new card stocks that's coming out? Yes. Does that include, yes, everything. Everything. There's not one little asterisk back there saying does not include this. Nope, everything. 15% off. Then you're also earning club points on every shipment we send to you. You are also getting a $15 gift certificate if you stay in our club for a full year, and you get freebies for joining. It's like insane. It's like I'm paying you to be my friend practically, okay? Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video. It's going to explain it all to you. And Foldits are so amazing. It's our fastest growing club. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.